Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I have an amazing video today of all the best deals to save you tons of money on your household groceries and baby items as well for this week. It's an amazing week of deals, and let me just walk you through the best and most highlight deals of the week. So right here with the live cereal, so this whole haul is going to be done at either Kroger or one of Kroger's sister stores, so you can just search that up if you are curious about which stores qualify. So first live, if you download the Kroger app or the respective app for the store that you choose, then you just go on there, make an account, and then if you go onto the savings tab, they will have digital coupons. So you're going to clip the digital coupon, and all of your digital coupons that you clip will come off at the register automatically, so there's no more of that carrying around coupon books and everything. So with all of that said, I will tell you if these deals apply with a digital coupon or the buy 5 or more deal, which is when if you buy 5 items, they don't have to be the same item, then $1 will come off of each item. And the other thing you will need to be able to get these deals is 2 other apps. And I will have my referrals down in the description as well, so that you can just click the link and be able to go and download it immediately. But the first app is Ibotta, and the second app is Fetch Rewards. So with the live cereal, the weekly digital deal makes it $1.29, and then, or $1.79, I think, one of those. But after that, so after you clip that coupon, you're going to go onto the Ibotta app after you have purchased the product, and there will be a rebate for 50 cents back, and so that's going to make it 99 cents. And then we have these little earthbound pouches right here. They're fruit pouches for babies. So for these fruit pouches, there's a buy one get one free digital coupon, and then on the Fetch app, you'll get 50 cents back for each one. That'll make each of these 50 cents. Then for these Betty Crocker cake mixes, these are part of the buy 5 or more deal. So buy 5 things, and these will count towards 2 of it. Buy these, and then on the Ibotta app, there is $1 back on 2. And then, so these are a package deal, okay? So the Mission tortilla chips, the 2 Rotel tomatoes, and the Velveeta cheese are, when you buy 1 Velveeta cheese, you'll get these other 3 things free. But that is not all, because on Ibotta, there are rebates for these and this, and it'll make this whole entire pack of things right here $5. Next is the chips, and I'm super excited about this deal. I'm obsessed with chips. Anyway, buy 4 bags of chips. When you buy 4 of these bags of chips, it'll make them each $1.99 to start. And then on Fetch, you will get $1.25 back. So it makes each of these chips about $5, around $5.50 for all 4 bags of chips, which is a great deal. Anyway, next is over here. It's kind of hiding right over here, but it's not actually hiding. It's the Nestle chocolate chips. So these chocolate chips are $2.99, and then 75 cents back on Ibotta makes them $2.25, and that is a digital coupon and then an Ibotta rebate. And then last, my highlight deal of the week. This deal is amazing on baby wipes. Baby wipes are insanely expensive these days, so to be able to save money on baby wipes is such a steal, and this deal is amazing. So you're going to go onto your app, and one rule, so this is the store app, one rule, so you can clip 2 coupons as long as one of them is a digital coupon and one is a manufacturer coupon. So there's a digital coupon that will make these $4.99, and then there is a manufacturer coupon for $1 off. And then Ibotta, there is $3 back on each of these. So I'll make one of them 99 cents and the other one $1.99, because that $1 off only applies to one. So that is all the deals for this week, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to click the links below to download the apps if you don't have them already, and I will see you in the next couponing video.